to try a cold start. Adjusted the carburetor before. Time a little better before. This has been sitting for 3 days out here in the snow. And let's see how it does. Connect the battery. And let's give it a try. Oh, no, I didn't cover that. Not too bad. That's pretty decent oil pressure.